Traders, welcome to followmetrades.com. Real Traders Club live session on Tuesday, September 19th, 2023. It looks like we got a good group logged in. Good morning, Shiv, Doug, Mark, Matt, everyone else. And there's Michael. Good, Michael. Hey, the market's open. Been open for 30 minutes. And it's the same today as it was yesterday. Stocks fall with investors on edge before the Fed decision. Last week, we had the consumer price index and the producer price index numbers come in a little bit hot. More inflation than was forecast. Fed's jobs to control inflation. We're at the end of rate hikes, but now, well, head scratcher, maybe they would have to raise rates again. So that decision will come out. Here you see FOMC statement, Pacific time on Wednesday the 20th, 12:12 p.m. Eastern time. So that's the big economic news in the market. Narrow trading range yesterday. It was overall down unless news breaks or something causes the fish school to radically turn. Right, we'll have another narrow trading range today and then tomorrow up until the announcement. But it is in a little bit of a downtrend. Right, looked like it was going to break out above the wedge here. Did for a day, then it's down below the cloud right now. So that's kind of where we're at on a big picture. We should again expect low volatility and narrow trading range, waiting for new information. On other news, picture Rocket Lab stock drops after the first satellite launch failure in over 2 years. That's a drag. That's not good. Some other companies in the news. There's been some upgrades, some downgrades, nothing too radical. The cruise lines got upgraded, and maybe we should take a look at a couple of those. We'll do that when Eva takes over. We'll part of our scanning and reviewing trade candidates for the watch list. We can look at the usual players: Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, and I think there's a cruise ETF, but I can't think of it off the top of my head. All right, open trades. We are still long Alto. It did come up to the target, up to the prior high, got a little reversal. It could just be a pause before it breaks through. Let's give it a chance. All right, we got a nice win here, so we'll just keep watching that one. We are short SMH, and this is starting to head down again, looking good. It is approaching support, but I think it's got some building momentum, so that is good. And we're also short then KRE, the regional bank ETF. Just took out this prior low here. It's not moving hugely, but it is moving. It is in a downtrend. So we're going to keep managing that trade as well. So Alto long, KRE short, SMH short are the open trades. And as always, you want to look at the reward to risk. This, just visually, this one is still good. And it's just really the distance from the current price to the stop versus the current price to the target. That's a quick check whether, if you're asking, should I still get in? Does it still make sense? This one also, but close to getting out of spec. And looks like we got one request already. So I'm going to hand it over to